Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm Derek Smith. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen door straps in your pop-up camper. These strap systems suspend the screen door to the roof when the camper is being put away. There are two different types of common styles which they install. First is a snap button to the roof. Second is a pop rivet underneath the screen door track. Let me show you how to do both. To know what size you need, you can measure the old strap, check your free online parts book, or even choose our universal kit. These are 6.5, so I have a 6.5 twin kit ready to install. First, check your fastener. If it's Phillips head driven, just remove it. This is a pop rivet inside this cap. So with the drill bit slightly larger than the inside of the rivet head, drill the rivet out. So we'll reuse the snap button that came off the roof. Install the small rivet. And then place it onto the strap. It should look like this to step. Then using a rivet gun, reinstall it to the ceiling. And repeat for the opposite side. And now you can put your screen door back up. Okay, for track style, find the rivet and drill it out. And for these styles, use the larger rivet supplied in your kit. You pull the track down a little bit, slide your screen door kit in with the orientation like this. Line up the hole, put your rivet there, use your rivet gun, leave your tool, push up hard and install the rivet. And repeat for the opposite side. And there you go, folks. It's another do-it-yourself job that you can do. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and smash that notification bell. I'll add links below to the web store for all these products. I will see you at the campground.